What has been an honored and ancient tradition is now being illuminated by science. But even science can't explain why Wagyu beef has a ratio of 2-to-1 polyunsaturated fat. This represents a significant advantage over English-bred beef because it means Kobe beef has twice as many so-called good fatty acids to bad fatty acids. The quality of Wagyu beef has always been recognized. It is now being quantified. For instance, not only does it have a beneficial fat ratio, but as a highly marbled product, it has less moisture as percentage of total volume. As a result, Wagyu beef will cook faster than traditional American prime beef. It also has a different flavor profile, often compared to sweet butter. It all has to do with the genes that go back centuries. Many different genes in cattle influence tenderness and marbling traits. To date, 2 genes have been identified that affect marbling, and 3 have been identified that affect tenderness. In English-type cattle, the most dominant breeds in the American cattle market, like Angus, the marbling and tenderness genes are not necessarily possessed by the same animal. So a highly marbled animal could have meat that is not tender. KBA's Wagyu cattle are bred specifically to maintain the right balance of marbling and tenderness, and this requires an intensive breeding and feeding program to maintain the extremely high quality. The product is good enough to take the time to savor and the time to produce. As a result, Kobe Beef America produces unusually high-quality beef in strictly limited amounts, and distribution is done on a very selective basis. Kobe Beef America distributors are chosen based on their abilities to fulfill the customer's expectations of quality and care.